Good day, students! Welcome to module number 11. In this video, you will learn how to enumerate the steps for addition and subtraction of decimal numbers, add and subtract decimal numbers, and solve real-life problems involving addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Let's start with a pretest. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 1. The total area of a lot is 139 and 75 in square meters. Mr. Sabasa will construct a house in the lot that will occupy 92 and 2500 square meters, and the remaining lot is for the garden. How many square meters is allotted for the garden? A. 47 and 5/10. B. 92 and 2500. C. 139 and 75 hundredths. And D. 232. A. 47 and 5/10. Number 2. What is the sum of 5 and 6 and 78 thousandths and 9 and 14 hundredths? A. 13 and 68 thousandths. B. 14 and 718 thousandths. C. 14 and 818 thousandths. Or D. 15 and 28 thousandths. The correct answer is C. 14 and 818 thousandths. Number 3. What is the difference of 2 and 16 thousandths and 0.14 thousandths? A. 0 and 2 thousandths. B. 1 and 2 thousandths. C. 2 and 2 thousandths. D. 2 and 12 thousandths. The correct answer is C. Louis needs to buy the following for his project: 25 pieces Oslo paper, which costs 27 and 75. 1 bottle Elmer's glue, which costs 20 pesos and 35 centavos. And 10 pieces paper clip, which costs 4 pesos and 25 centavos. How much does Louis need to spend in buying materials for his project? A. 52 and 25 centavos. B. 52 pesos and 35 centavos. C. 53 pesos and 75 centavos. Or D. 54 pesos and 25 centavos. B. 52 pesos and 35 centavos. Using the same example, if he has 100 pesos, how much will be the change? A. 46 pesos and 65 centavos. B. 47 pesos and 25 centavos. C. 47 pesos and 55 centavos. Or D. 47 pesos and 65 centavos. The correct answer is B. 47 pesos and 65 centavos. Let's have a recap. Fill in the blanks. Identify the words that will make the statement true. Number 1. Blank is a number that can be expressed as the quotient or fraction P over Q of two integers, a numerator P and a non-zero denominator Q. Number 2. This repeating decimal is an example of blank decimals. 3. The equivalent decimal of 3/4 is blank. Number 4. The fractional value of 0.8 is blank. And number 5, the blank is a decimal number that contains a finite number of digits after the decimal point. During the enhanced community quarantine, people were advised to eat fruits as a natural source of vitamin C to slow down the spread of coronavirus. One Saturday morning, Mrs. Santos went to the fruit section of the grocery. She picked fruits and paid this at the cashier. If ripe mangoes cost 120 pesos and 70 centavos, half kilo of lemon costs 75 pesos and 25 centavos, a pack of strawberries for 62 pesos and 75 centavos, and a pineapple for 65 pesos and 85 centavos. How much did she spend for the fruits? If she gave 500 pesos to the cashier, how much is her change? In this problem, the cost of the fruits are example of decimal numbers. So let's answer the first question. To solve this problem, we have the number sentence 120 pesos and 70 centavos plus 75 pesos and 25 centavos plus 65 pesos and 85 centavos plus 62 pesos and 75 centavos is equal to n, where n is the total amount of the fruits Mrs. Santos bought. To solve for the value of n, follow the steps in adding decimal numbers. Step 1. Write the decimals in vertical order. Align the decimals. Add extra zeros to the right of the number so that each number has the same number of digits to the right of the decimal place. Step 3. Add the decimal numbers starting from the rightmost digit to the left direction. So start with 0 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. So you write down 5 and then place 1 on the top of 7. So continue, you have 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 25. So you place 5 and then carry 2. 2 plus 0 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 14. So you bring down 4, carry 1. 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 22. Bring down 2, then carry 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So bring down 3. Place the decimal point of the answer in line with the other decimal points. How much did she spend for the fruits? Next, let's answer the second question. To solve how much is her change, the number sentence is 500 pesos minus 324 pesos and 55 centavos is equal to n. To solve, let us follow the steps in subtracting decimal numbers. Number 1. Write the decimals in vertical order. Align the decimals. Just like what we did in adding decimals, we add extra zeros to the right of the number so that each number has the same number of digits to the right of the decimal place. So we put 2 zeros here. Subtract the decimal numbers starting from the rightmost digit to the left direction. As you subtract, do borrowing if needed. So here, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So bring down 5. Since we borrow 1 from the second zero, instead of 10, we will write 9. Therefore, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So bring down 4. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So bring down 5. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Bring down 7. And lastly, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So bring down 1. Place the decimal point of the answer in line with the other decimal points. So we place the decimal point. If she gave 500 pesos to the cashier, how much is her change? Mrs. Santos received the change of 175 pesos and 45 centavos. 8 and 25 hundredths plus 16 and 57 hundredths plus 22 and 89 hundredths is equal to blank. Align first the decimal numbers. 5 plus 7 plus 9 is 21, bring down 1, carry 2, so 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 17, bring down 7, carry 1. 1 plus 8 plus 6 plus 2 is 17, so bring down 7, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 4, so bring down 4. Place the decimal point. Therefore, 47 and 71 hundredths is the answer. Example number 2. Do this on your own. Add a corresponding zero. Proceed with the addition. And place the decimal point. The answer is 130 and 80 hundredths. Example number 3. 18 and 79 hundredths minus 2 and 55 hundredths. Align the decimals, followed by subtraction, and place the decimal point. Therefore, the answer is 16 and 24 hundredths. How about 150 and 89 hundredths minus 79 and 15 hundredths? Is 71 and 74 hundredths. Let's have a wrap up. Always remember that these are the steps in adding decimal numbers. Number 1, write the decimals in vertical order. Align the decimals. Number 2, add extra zeros to the right of the number so that each number has the same number of digits to the right of the decimal place. Add the decimal numbers starting from the rightmost digit to the left direction. Number 4, place the decimal point of the result in line with the other decimal point. And the steps in subtracting decimal numbers are the same. You have to write the decimals in vertical order and align the decimals. Add extra zeros to the right of the number so that each number has the same number of digits to the right of the decimal place. Subtract the decimal numbers starting from the rightmost digit to the left direction. And as you subtract, do borrowing if needed. Place the decimal point of the result in line with the other decimal points. For our valuing, systematic work can make addition and subtraction of decimal numbers simple and easier. During this pandemic time, where schooling will be done through distance learning, draw a diagram showing your systematic way of doing distance learning at home. Use Oslo paper to draw your diagram. For your differentiated activities, kindly refer to the given module. Let's have a post test. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Write your answer in your notebook. I hope you learned something today. Keep safe and God bless us all.